You say the Tutsi are not from Congo. That's true, because you are the one that called this place Congo. You see, the place Congo is not the name of that place. When you say Bantu, they take they say in the Bantu group there are around 400 to 600 ethnic tribe. That means the name Bantu mean nothing. And the name Bantu has been set up by Emmanuel Black in 1859. You see, so this name Bantu is something that has been set up from nothing. It has no meaning at all. The main group that claim to be Bantu is the Congo people. And the Congo people had around 30 little small ethnic group. And everyone in them have his own language. You see. So the Tutsi are the real aboriginal of this area. They say the region of the Grand Lake or the big lakes around the Tanzania River and all. And the bone of Izango, the bone of Izango has been found in the Tutsi area, not in the Congo's area. You see, so in their area, they have a trace or an artifact that prove life, and that was life there, living people there 1,000 years ago, around 7 million years ago. But in your side, they are nothing. And more, you invent the Congo Kingdom. The Congo Kingdom have never exist. The Congo Kingdom, you find it only in books. Nobody knows where the Congo Kingdom was in fact. We don't know in what continent the Congo Kingdom was. You see, the so-called Bantus are invaders in Africa. But this continent himself is not called Africa. You say the Tutsi are from Ethiopia. Go check the ancient maps. All the ancient maps call this continent Ethiopia. The name of this continent was Ethiopia. You can find that in a lot of maps, ancient maps. So when you invade Africa, you came in the coast, take control, then call the whole continent Africa from a Roman deity named Africa. Because the name Africa is a name of a Roman deity, because you so-called Congos, are in fact from the Middle East and the Caucasus. Yes, you are from there. You are invaders in Africa. The Aboriginal people in Africa was shepherd people, pastoral people, because it is the same in ancient Egypt. All the Egyptian, ancient Egypt people was pastors and agriculture people, not hunters. And you, the real Bantus, the real so-called Bantus, you are all hunters. You don't have the historic culture of Africa. The historic culture of Africa is the nomadic culture. The nomadic tribe is the Aboriginal people in Africa. So when you say they are from Ethiopia, that's true, because the continent was called Ethiopia before you colonize it. Then you say you have no roots in Africa at all, because you talk about Congo Banza. Congo Banza was built by Portuguese people, not by you. So you have no trust back in Africa before the 19th century. You came with the so-called Belgium. You was with them to colonize this area. Then you cut off this part and call it Congo or Zaire, and then Congo, after your own name, because you are a colonizer. And I want you to check. There are some of you that revealed that you was a slave seller. He was doing slavery in the coast before. And if you check the pictures where the people that has been brutalized by the Belgium, it was not you, it was the Pygmies and some tribe inside the Congo, not the people that right now belong to the Congo, to the so-called Congo tribe. Just like I said, in the so-called Congo tribe, there are around 30 little tribe. So all these names, Bantu, Congo, are made up names that have no meaning at all. Because every tribe have his own story, his own spirituality, his own culture. But you wanted to colonize the land, so you set up a fake name, this name Bantu, to put it on all the people on that area. The Aboriginal people are in the land. You are in the coast, meaning you are new there. Yeah, the Tutsi are the Aboriginal people in that area, and they have the most ancient culture tie into the culture of the ancient Egypt. The Bantu, the so-called Bantu, has nothing to do with ancient Egypt. You don't have the culture, you don't have the physique, and you don't have the spirituality. You are right now practicing cannibalism, huh? And you practice the so-called traditional spirituality of Africa, that who has nothing to do with the culture in ancient Egypt. In ancient Egypt, there was dog was sacred in ancient Egypt, snake was sacred in ancient Egypt, cows was sacred in ancient Egypt. You don't have this totemic figure in your spirituality. So when you say the Tutsi, you talk about the Tutsi, you know that the Tutsi are the real aboriginal of this land. And it was Mobutu that fight them. In the time of Mobutu, they fight them too much, then change their name, then change their spirituality, because there was not even Christian. A lot of the people in the East was Muslim. You see, so you fight them, change their spirituality, change their name, then manufacture a fake story about a so-called Congo kingdom that have no existence beyond on books. You cannot find no artifact at all about your so-called Congo kingdom.